Hi, hello, dear students. Welcome to our LMS course in Science 9. This is your teacher, Nori, here in Learning Video Session. Of course, please prepare your materials like your ballpen, your lecture notebook, and the periodic table. Now, our topic for this video is all about the third type of chemical bond, and that is metallic bond. Very good. Now, the last previous video sessions that we have talks about the ionic bond, we have the covalent bond, and the metallic bond. Okay, so what do you think is your most favorite type of bond? Do you want metallic bond? Saan na metallic bond? Mga ko idea na. Kaya nga magdi-discuss si ma'am. But how about the ionic bond? Yes, ionic bond, maybe you are interested between a bond between attraction of the metal and the non-metals, yung giving of electrons, or a bond of sharing, and that is covalent bond. If wala sa dalawa dyan yung gusto mong bond, baka sa metallic bond ka pwede. Okay? So maybe we'll start now with our presentation. So what we have here is pictures or different pictures of a different compounds or product of metallic bond. Okay? Our objectives, number one, define metallic bonding. Number two, describe the formation of metallic bonds. And number three, we have to relate the common properties of metallic bond. Okay, so I have one question here. How do metal atoms bond in a metal? A metal bond in a metal. Okay? So, pwede din na siya, ma'am? Yes, pwede gani ang sharing of electrons. Pwede mong gani ang attraction of a metal and a non-metal. How about a metal bond metal? I can remember when we have our face-to-face mga bond ni siya sa mga bayot, no? But I don't think so if this a bond sa mga bayot, but of course kamo na mag-judge. Okay? I have no judgment sa akong mga bayot. Kinapo ko yung mga bayot ng mga friends, and they are so good kind of friends. Okay? So let's start with this. How do metal atoms bond in a metal? Okay? So I want you to write in your notebook, what kind of compound do you think, no, ang kanina picture? Ready? I'll give you 5 seconds. Go. Okay, so time is up. So what we have here is a kind of alloy. Okay, alloy is what? Iron plus another metal. They are used to produce housewares, buildings, and even power tools. It is actually a kind of steel, no? A man of steel, that is Superman. Mo din ang kuyaw din naman ng man of steel, kay kuyaw din na siya, no? How about this one? Okay, ready? In 5 seconds, go. Okay, so time is up. So actually, this is a composition between copper and zinc. It is a brass, B-R-A-S-S. Very good. How about this one? Okay, ready? In 5 seconds, go. Okay, so time is up. This is a chemical composition between copper and tin, and that is equal to bronze. So we have here steel, that is a brass, and a bronze. Then we have another one. Basta nyo, makita ni sa balay, no? Gina-display sa balay. Okay, ready? In 5 seconds, go. Okay, so time is up. Actually, this is a kind of a compound between tin plus another metal like antimony, silver, lead, or bismuth. Actually, ang pangalan nito is pewter. I don't know how to exact pronounce this. Pewter. P-E-W-T-E-R. Pewter. Okay? So, actually, metals do not actually bond with metals. They just form alloys, no? Wala di siya literally na bond. Mag-create lang siya o ma-form lang siya alloys. And alloy is a kind of solution of a metal in a metal. And did you know that they are very kind of strong materials? The atoms in metals have strong attractive force between them. A lot of energy is required to break the bonds. Okay, how about try to open your notebook again and let's proceed to this GIF analysis. Okay, I want you to focus on this GIF and I'll give you by 10 seconds. Ready, go. Okay, so time is up. Ma'am, paspas lagi kay ma'am. O paspas man din siya para walay matulog sa kuang video session, no? Okay, so question is, what are your general observations? Yes, sige, general observations. Ready? In 5 seconds, go. Ayan. So time is up. Maybe you can observe the different motion of these tiny particles and actually those are called electrons. Okay. Electrons, no? So, shall I say Electron C model for metals. So remember, having low electronegativity, they tend to lose their valence electrons easily. When we have a macroscopic collection of the same or similar type of metallic atoms, the valence electrons are detached from the atoms, but not held by any of the other atoms. In other words, these valence electrons are free from any particular atom and are only held collectively by the entire assemblage of atoms. In a metal, the ion cores are held more or less at fixed places in an ordered or crystal. The valence electrons are free to move about under applied stimulation like electric fields or heat. Okay, actually, in metallic bond, they are closely packed metal atoms. The outer energy levels of metal atoms are overlapping. Okay? So, muna ang ilang difference kind of bond. Then, the valence electrons can move and flow freely. So, nakikita nyo sa ating picture, yung small particles dyan, represented by electron. Bisag unsa lang yung lihok, no? Wala siya particular motion. Bisag free, maka-free lang sila o move. And it allows flexibility of material to bend and easy flow of electricity. Okay, we have here a picture also of a kind of metallic bond, electrons and the metal atoms, and they are what we call C of the localized of electrons. So what is really a metallic bond? Metallic bond occurs when metal bonds to either themselves or mixed with other metals in alloys. So the valence electrons are shared among all of the atoms of the substance. Please take note, metals bond to either themselves or mixed with other metals in alloys. Okay, so there are common properties of metallic bonds na kailangan nyo malaman. Okay, so let's try this. Actually, that is two in one picture. Get ready this one. Please capture the picture so that I can give you the 5-second timer. Ready? Go. Okay, so time is up. So what is the correct answer? Of course, very good. Conductors. Why are metals are good conductors of heat and electricity? But of course, this is due to their free valence electrons. So if you're going to observe, yung valence electrons, yan, free flowing lang sila, no? Okay. How about this one? Okay, 5 seconds. Ready? Go. Okay, so time is up. The correct answer is ding 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 ding. Okay, high melting point. So, nga naman, ano taas mag-melting point ang mga metals or metallic bond compound? This is due to the electrostatic attraction between the metal cation and the fluid of valence electrons in which they are immersed. Okay, how about this one? Ready? In 5 seconds, go. Okay, so time is up. The answer is very good. Congratulations. These are the malleable and ductile. When we say malleability, it is the ability of metals to be shaped by pressure or either by hammering or rolling into sheets or forging. Ductility also is the ability of metals to be drawn into wires. May mo siyang wire, no? And actually, these two properties are derived from the non-directional nature of attractions between the kernel atoms. That is cation ions within a metallic solid and the fluid of electrons. Metals are really malleable. When a force is applied, the metal kernels move to a new location, changing the shape of a metal. Okay, klaro na sa atong presentation, no? Okay, how about this last one? Ready? In 5 seconds, go. Okay, so time is up. Luster is the ability to shine, shine, Jesus, shine, or the ability to reflect light. The presence of free electrons that vibrate and move is the reason why metal reflects light. Okay, shiny. Now, this time, basing maglibog manggod mo, what's the difference between the ionic bond and the metallic bond? Remember, ionic bonding they occur between metal and non-metal. With the metallic bonding, there are metals and metals. Therefore, ionic compounds are brittle. Murag ka ng kuan ba dili kaayo dili kayo kusgan ka ng gabukon, no? While the metallic bonding, they are malleable. Another one, ionic bond, in terms of a solution, no? When melted, they are good conductor of electricity. But the metallic bond, whether they are in a solid state or liquid state, they are really good in conductor of electricity. Okay, so what makes them similar? Okay, connect two atoms and they have what? Both high melting points and boiling points. Okay, so remember that metallic bond is a very strong bond between two metals atoms. And this kind of bonding between metallic elements, the valence electrons can move freely. Okay, so what we have here is another diagram that shows the localized electrons yung ating metallic bond. They do not share, they do not lose or gain electrons. They form sea of electrons. Now, it's up to you is if what kind of bond you really love. Nagbago na ba yung kind of bond na gusto mo? You can have the metallic bond, no? Strongest bond doon na siya. Plus, wala pa dyan na siya sharing, wala pa dyan na siya giving, losing. So they are free to move, no? Maganing makatawa ko sa inyo nila na kani daw na kind of bond is something special. But of course, it's up to you. What kind of bond do you like or do you want in life? Kasi nga, ang chemical elements, they follow rules. That's the octet rule. But in human, we differ our rules in terms of bonding. Why we bond? It depends, no? Kasi meron tayong tinatawag na stability. Okay? So, that's it for our metallic bond. I do hope that you were able to add your knowledge about the chemical bond. And please try to review again, no, the differences between the three types of bond. So please stay tuned, like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and please keep on learning. Do not stop here in my video session. Magbasa, mag-research, o magtuon. Okay? So I'll see you soon by the next topic of our LMS course. Maybe we can seeing again in the LMS. Let's practice. Okay, mag-demo si ma'am dito unsaon pag-bond. Gamit jud ang kamot. Okay? Are you excited? Of course. So, get ready and see you soon. Bye!